Welcome back to the AI Agents series. In episode 1, we explored what AI agents are and why they are a game changer for your career and business. We learned how they're different from traditional AI because they can work independently, make decisions, automate multi step tasks, and even learn over time. But here's the big question: how do they actually do all of this? What's really happening behind the scenes when an AI agent takes on a task? In this episode, we'll cover the architecture of AI agents like AutoGPT, Baby AGI, and LangChain, how they automate decision making and manage complex workflows, the difference between reactive AI and proactive AI, and also real world examples of AI agents in personal productivity and industry applications. So let's dive in. Chapter 1: The architecture of AI agents. To understand how AI agents work, think of them like highly organized employee with a clear system in place to handle tasks. AI agents have three key components that help them operate. Number one is goal setting, which is the brain. Every AI agent starts with a goal. This is like giving it a clear task or a mission. For example, find the top trending AI startups in 2024. Number two, planning and reasoning, which is the strategy. Once the goal is set, the AI agent breaks the task into smaller steps. It's also into figuring out what needs to be done first, what data to collect, and how to execute the plan. For example, first it searches databases, then filters results, and finally it ranks startups by funding or growth. Number three is execution. After planning, the AI agent executes the tasks independently. It collects data, processes it, and presents the final result, all without further input from you. Well, as an example, you'll get a fully formatted report with insights on the top AI startups, all done while you were potentially grabbing a coffee. Now, you might be thinking, how do these AI agents actually come to life? Now, that's where AI agent frameworks come in. AI agent frameworks are like the building blocks or the blueprints that developers use to create these intelligent agents. They provide the tools and structure needed for AI agents to set goals, plan tasks, and execute them. Think of it like, say, if an AI agent is the car that drives you forward, then the framework here is the engine under the hood, making everything work smoothly. Some popular AI agent frameworks in play: AutoGPT. It is one of the first AI agents designed to operate autonomously. It doesn't just respond to commands, it sets sub goals, gathers data, and executes tasks without human intervention. Let's take an example. A business owner can use AutoGPT to research new market opportunities, analyze competitors, generate business strategies, all without lifting a finger. Another one here is Baby AGI, which is like a lightweight version of AutoGPT, focusing only on the task management and automation. It's perfect for businesses or individuals looking to streamline repetitive workflows. Imagine you are an HR manager and you can use Baby AGI to screen resumes, schedule interviews, even send follow-up emails, all while you focus on interviewing top candidates. Another one is LangChain. Now, this is a powerful framework that allows developers to connect multiple AI models to connect custom AI applications. It's like giving AI agents superpowers by enabling them to interact with different databases, APIs, and tools. A good use case here would be a company here can build an AI agent using LangChain to pull data from customer feedback forms or analyze common complaints, automatically suggest solutions, or even escalate issues to the right department. So now you can understand how AI agents are built and the frameworks that power them. Let's also see how they actually function in real world tasks. Chapter 2, how AI agents automate decision making and workflows. Now that we know how AI agents are structured, let's see how they handle complex decision making and workflows. Unlike traditional AIs, AI agents don't just stop after giving you information, they actually take action. And here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is data gathering. AI agent scans multiple sources like websites, databases, emails, and more to collect the information it requires. For an example, a sales AI agent pulls data from CRM tools, customer emails, and social media to get a full picture of your leads. Step 2 is decision making. After gathering the data, the AI agent analyzes it and makes decision based on patterns and logic. Here, the AI agent identifies that a lead hasn't responded, say, in 3 days. It decides to send a follow-up email automatically and flag the lead for a call. Step 3, task execution and feedback. The AI agent then executes the task, whether it's sending an email, creating a report, or even placing an order. It also learns from the outcome to improve future actions. A good example here is, say, if follow-up email gets a response, the AI agent learns that this possibly is a timing that works and applies it to future tasks. It's like having an employee who not only completes their work but also learns how to do it better every single time. Chapter 3, reactive AI versus proactive AI agents. What's the real difference? Now here's something that really sets AI agents apart from traditional AI. The difference between being reactive and proactive. Reactive AI, tools like, say, ChatGPT or Siri, are reactive. They wait for you to ask a question and then give you an answer. They won't take a proactive further action unless they are prompted again from your side. For example, if you ask Siri for the weather, it will tell you, but it won't automatically plan your day around that weather. Proactive AI agents, on the other hand, are by design not going to sit around waiting for instructions. Instead, they anticipate your needs, plan ahead, and take action. Let's think of it as, say, having an AI agent on your personal assistant. It knows you have an outdoor meeting tomorrow. It checks the weather forecast automatically, sees it's going to rain, and reschedules your meeting indoors without even asking you. Proactive AI agents think ahead, making them powerful tools for both personal productivity and business efficiency. Chapter 4, real world examples. Personal assistants versus industry applications. Let's bring this to life with some real world examples of how AI agents are transforming both personal productivity and entire industries. In personal productivity, AI is your 24/7 assistant. Let's take an example. Imagine you're a content creator juggling with multiple projects. An AI agent here can research trending topics in your niche, draft blog posts or scripts based on that research, schedule your social media posts, and even respond to comments. As a result, you can produce more content in less time while focusing on creativity instead of admin work. Example 2, job seekers. Let's say you're job hunting. Instead of manually searching for openings and customizing resumes, an AI agent here can scan thousands of job listings, match them with your skills, draft a personalized cover letter, even submit applications on your behalf. So you apply to more jobs in less time with better precision. Here are some industry applications as well that how businesses are using AI agents. Example 1, Tesla. Tesla is using AI to analyze driving data from thousands of cars in real time, optimizing their self-driving algorithms without human intervention. Number 2 is Amazon, where Amazon's warehouses are run by AI agents that automate inventory management, track shipments, and even predict product demand based on customers' behavior. Example 3 is Goldman Sachs, where they use AI agents to analyze massive amounts of financial data, predict market trends, and make investment decisions faster than any human actually could. Another example is healthcare, diagnosis and treatment. Hospitals and healthcare providers are using AI agents to analyze patient data and medical histories. They assist doctors to diagnose complex diseases and even recommend treatment plans based on the latest research. As a result, faster diagnosis, more accurate treatments, and better patient outcomes. Another example, e-commerce, personalized shopping experience. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and eBay use AI agents to analyze customer behavior in real time, recommend personalized products, optimize pricing to manage inventory, and result here is increased sales, better customer experiences, and higher retention rates. So by now you'll see how AI agents aren't just smart tools, they are proactive decision-making assistants that can transform how you work and live. Well, the key takeaways here are that AI agents have a structured system. They set goals, plan tasks, and execute them independently. They automate decision making and workflows, handling complex tasks without any supervision. And unlike reactive AI agents are proactive, they anticipate your needs and take action. In episode 3, we'll dive into AI personal assistants, how they can become your 24/7 productivity partner and boost your career like never before. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next episode on this series. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.